I bought the X-Horse Dolphin 008 in hopes that it would cut single bit and double bit keys. It will, and the longest blank you can put in is 150 millimeters. Otherwise it will bump the original key on the left-hand side. I was hoping that it would rotate the key, and it will, and let you radius the edge of the key the way it needs to be, and this machine will do that. You could even roll the original key and the duplicate key backwards a little bit in the vise to get all the radius you need on the end of the key. So any of you that might have been wondering, how do we get a machine to do this in the United States? Well, this is how you do it. The X-Horse Dolphin, I think it's XP-008. Good luck.